The Arrival trunk is really interesting because it crosses over between asking quite functional questions and turning those functional questions into almost an art-based execution.
The circularity dimension of the project is super exciting. We start with a fiber, we weave it, we press it, or we make something, and then we return it back to that powder. The ability for Arrival to take its manufacturing process, which is built on that idea, and create this coveted heirloom item is really interesting.
The Microfactory has become an incredibly versatile playground for building different types of product from the same material building blocks. We're using the same materials to make the trunk as we do for our vehicles.
I'm Ansel, I'm the design director at the visual image studio at Louis Vuitton. We design all of the windows worldwide. The windows are quite an interesting space because they're very democratic really, almost like street theatre. They're there for everybody to see. Louis 200 is the celebration of Monsieur Louis Vuitton's 200th birthday. We've approached approximately 200 visionaries or people doing really interesting things now as a way of sharing ideas and creativity within the window space. It was a celebration of creativity and innovation, and also how that relates to our current climate and ecology. We're bringing that discussion to the street, to the public, to culture as part of culture.
My name's Adrian Nyman, and I'm the SVP of Brand and Marketing for Arrival. When we think about the mission that we're on as a company to really modernize not just electric vehicles, but the way they're made with circularity from day one.
Our aim was really to look forwards and look at how people are innovating now. There are similarities between what Louis was doing at that time and what Arrival are doing now.
My name's Rob, and I'm SVP of Materials at Arrival. The brief was to take the original trunk by Louis Vuitton and rebuild and redesign it in our materials. And so we took the key characteristics of the trunk and transferred them to a design that was suitable for production in our microfactory. A lot of the tools that we've been developing along this journey have enabled us to be able to turn product around very fast. You know, the Louis Vuitton trunk project came in, we were able to go from CAD to finished part in a matter of weeks. That's very unlike a conventional automotive factory. What's incredible about the trunk is it's a zero-waste product from the start. In the microfactory, everything that goes in should go out as a final product, and every final product should be 100% recyclable. So we can recycle the entire trunk at the end of its useful life.
The Louis Vuitton trunk is an iconic object. It's like a vessel for different ideas to combine new thinking and innovation and these technological ideas of the future and dealing with the challenges now.
There's this really beautiful synergy between what we are doing and what Louis Vuitton is famous for in his innovation.
The production method that Arrival's pioneering is incredibly agile, it's zero waste, it's local, it's traceable, and it doesn't require us to overproduce to make it profitable. It's gonna have real impact, not just the way EVs are made, but how everything's made. This collaboration demonstrates that beautifully, and it allows people to engage with these powerful new ideas.